If you own a small business and you've thought about search engine optimization or you've talked to an agency about SEO, chances are pretty good that they've told you that the first thing you need to do is get off your Squarespace website and get onto WordPress. Well, that's not entirely true, and here's why. We've got a client in Los Angeles, California, in a pretty competitive market, and they're trying to get visibility for their keywords. And when we started with them back in March, their average position across these 53 keywords was up in the 80s, not very good. They weren't getting any visibility. And today, their average position across those same 53 keywords is 9.57. So they're in the top 10 on average across all their keywords. And you can see here's one of their big keywords, and it has moved from position number 53 or page 6 up to number 2. Here's another important keyword for them. Moved from not at all, no visibility whatsoever, and they're also in the number 2 position. You can imagine what this has done to their phone calls and inbound leads, which is really the goal of search engine optimization in the first place. These rankings don't mean anything. This visibility doesn't mean anything if it doesn't translate to customers for your small business. So if you have a Squarespace website, we do these SEO Power Hours. It's a great way to get a initial understanding of what's going on search, what's wrong with your website, and how we can improve it to get this visibility and get more customers for your small business.